Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, February 20th, 2024. Today's video is about incense. Incense is an aromatic biotic material that releases fragrant smoke when burnt. The term is used for either the material or the aroma. Incense is used for aesthetic reasons, religious worship, aromatherapy, meditation, and ceremony. It may also be used as a simple deodorant or insect repellent. This photograph of a worker manufacturing incense sticks was taken in the village of Quảng Phú Cầu, on the outskirts of Hanoi, by the Vietnamese photographer Trần Viet. The sticks are set out to dry in bundles after being dipped in the incense solution. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.